In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use LEN function in Excel. So first of all, I will tell you what is LEN function. So suppose if I am typing my name and I want to know how many characters are there in the cell A1. So I can use the LEN function LEN. It return the number of character in a text string. So either you can type the text string or you can refer to the cell name. It will tell you that there are five character in my name. So if you have a space in between, it will also it's also calculate the space also. So if you type my full name is this, and now how many character are there? 12 character. But as you can see, there are five and one, two, three, six character. Total should be 11, but there is space in between my surname and my name, and that's why it also includes the space. So in this way, you can use the len function in Excel. Thanks for watching.